If you're thinking about using the KAST card, it's important to understand the fees before signing up. In this video, I'll give you a full breakdown of KAST card fees in 2026, including what is free, what may cost you money, and a few things to watch out for. A user of KAST Card honest reviews. I used KAST for some time, but then switched to Coca, better perks and cashback in stable coins. The standard plan is free and includes 5% cashback, a Visa Platinum card, and 2 free cards, either virtual or physical. The premium plan costs $1,000 per year. It gives you 2% cashback, a Visa Infinite card, plus 1% in KAST points on all spending. And the private plan costs $10,000 per year. With this plan, you get 3% cashback, 2% in KAST points, and a premium gold-plated Visa Infinite card. Also, if you want to sign up for KAST, you can use our code from the description below to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.